Now, did you purchase Rudy or shelter?
Well, we got him from a rescue.
Rescue.
But there is
Is the camera on? Yeah. Come on, Rudy, you got to get in the picture.
We have treats. He's from a rescue, but there's a charge, you know, but that covers his bedding.
Right, exactly.
It's like it's like a foster-based rescue, where they get the rescue, you know, and then they live at people's houses, and then they like kind of housebroke them. And then they do events at Petco. But I saw him on Facebook. Bill Becker had, you know, put something on there, and then I saw him, and so we filled an application, and then they went through like.
That's what we did. We had a third round last year. We had her for 14 years.
15 years.
Yeah, she was so cute. Such a cute little fluff ball.
It took us a couple of years. It took us like a year and a half in between dogs when we put our other dog down, and it's a lot. It's like, you know, it was good to take a break, and then we really missed it.
I still think about her though. Like, you know,
it's so hard.
Yeah, like she's never been here again. I see her again. It still comes to me like at weird moments. Yeah.
She was 15.
She was around 15. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I figured. I know Liz's her black lab. We need to have a play date.
Come here.
With that dog.
Pretty.
Terrence is looking into getting a service dog.
Oh, that's
that might be our next thing.
Nice.
We don't get a regular dog, we'll get a service dog.
Is that a big involved process?
Yeah,
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a big thing, yeah. Paperwork.
But they train. The dogs are so unbelievable. I don't know that much about it. Except a friend in college, when I got a puppy, she got a puppy that she was prepping to be a service dog.
I think my cousin Lydia trained a couple of service dogs.
And then they move on if they pass a certain level because they have to be so whatever.
Well behaved.
Yeah, like it really extensive training from the
Good
beginning.
boy.
Yeah, I mean, but then if they qualify, then they go on to be.
Come over this way.
Pretty amazing the capability of dogs. And he's been so sweet. Like we've just been enjoying him so much. It's been like so much fun. Right?
What are you eating?
You good?
Stick?
Twig, yeah, the stick.
You a good boy?
Is that good? Is that a little woody?
It's got a little oak to it. Little oakiness.
Yeah, he's all happy. We got lucky with him, I feel like, because you never know what.
No, we picked Cora, my basis for picking her was she was this orange fluff ball and she had these black freckles on her nose. She was very, very cute, but she was a herder. So the minute we brought her home, she used to chase the kids around all over the place, nipping at their heels all the time.
That's so funny.
Yeah. And she shed like crazy.
Oh, because she was fluffy. He hasn't really shed, actually. Right? No, he's not really leaving hair.
That's good.
I haven't really
nice
thought
for you.
about it.
Oh, there's hair all over the couch.
No, well, we have
blankets.
blankets on the couch is all of a sudden one big dog bed. The couch that I've kept nice for 18 years.
Yeah, we cover the couch in blankets
Yeah.
so Rudy can
Go up there.
walk on it.
Cora never really went on the couch.
And,
Our
and
other
then we had
dogs
to
didn't, but this time it was just like, all right, it looks so comfortable. He looks
different
so
dog.
happy.
Different dog.
and then we had to put a blanket on the chair.
And he gets up there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That used to be an unblanketed zone, but now it has a blanket on it. So, and I sit there to put him in Xbox. So.
And he likes to sleep with one of us. He needs
Yeah, and
to like be
sometimes-
like on top of one of us.
Yeah, and sometimes
Does it
Rudy,
matter who, or you take turns?
Myself or Garrett. Yeah.
yeah, and sometimes when I'm sitting down trying to play on the Xbox, Rudy will just jump onto the seat and kick me out. Cause it's just like he's like, oh, you're sitting here? Nope.
I want to sit here.
He's like, wait,
He likes
oh,
Steelers spots.
nope, I'm sitting here now. and I don't even try and get him off. I just sit on the floor.
And he's technically
Because
still
he's
our
so
foster.
comfortable.
They make him be a foster, and then you bring him to get neutered at their vet, and then he becomes,
Oh.
you finalize it at that point. So that's in like May 6th or something.
How old was he when you got him?
No, he was like 11 weeks or 13 weeks.
No, He was 13 weeks.
Okay, he was about 3 months. Yeah.
Yeah, he was 13 weeks when we got him.
No, not 3.
No, not.
They can't leave him.
I said 13 weeks.
Yeah, but he was much smaller. Rudy. Bruno's just got a puppy. Paul and Liz Bruno.
Uh-huh.
They just got a brand new puppy.
Oh.
A pointer shepherd that he got from the south.
I was at the Whites last night, and they have a corgi.
Oh, Moose. Moose.
Oh,
yeah,
yes, he's so cute.
Yes, Mr. White's daughter brought in Moose to our real class,
Oh, yeah.
and everyone just got up and started petting.
He is so cute, isn't he?
Yeah, and he has that little stubby tail. So when we all started crowding him and giving him treats, he would just wave that stubby tail. And Mr. White said, "Hey guys, will just wave his stubby tail." And it was so cute.
He's very low to the ground.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Do you wanna know why he named him Moose?
Why?
He named him Moose because a moose is like this big, strong animal, and then you see Moose the dog, and it's so short. Also Moose is really cute, playful. But like we were all like whenever he would walk around, so we would all just crowd him and start petting him and giving him treats. He would jump on us and start kissing us. I
He's very cute.
didn't get jumped on.
The queen has corgis.
Who does?
The queen.
Oh,
And she knows.
and so does Mr. Dickinson.
He does?
Yes.
He has a large variety of animals, doesn't he? Over by Anna's house, by the school,
Down
right?
behind Shepherd's